This is my new LED cable with sound sensor and LED light. So let's see how it works. So a drawback I observe here is you cannot play the music this far. You need to really keep it this close, about an inch or 2 inches far, otherwise it won't detect the music. Let's see. See, it's not producing any effects. It's not detecting the sound. So you need to keep it very close. That's very disappointing. Otherwise it's a good product. So it would have been great if it detects the sound from far distance. Yeah, it's an okay product. It's cheap too. It's just 300 bucks. Build quality is good. And this is the part where the sound sensor is located. And it's micro USB, it's not magnet. That's a bit disappointing. Yeah, it's an okay product.